Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at HLOOKUP Exact Match. Now if you look at my screen, I have a table, table 1. I also have another table, table 2. Now we'll be looking from this particular table. Now what I want to do is that I want to return the price, product, and discounts that belongs to this particular product ID using HLOOKUP Exact Match. Now HLOOKUP, we look across the first row to find a match. Once it finds, then it will now move down to grab the data. That is what HLOOKUP does. Now let me apply my formula, which will be equals to HLOOKUP. Lookup value will be this, the product ID. Then my table array will be the table we are looking from. Row index number. The row index number will be what? Price. This particular figure, this particular row 2. So I'll put my 2, then exact match. I'll close my bracket. Now before executing my results, my formula, now I want you to quickly see something. Now since we know that HLOOKUP will look across the first row to grab the result, right? It means that once it finds a match, it will now move down and grab the result. So now if you look at here, I have 150 euros, which means this is the result I'm expecting for my HLOOKUP Exact Match to return. Just hit my enter, then I have my 150. Now I will put the formula again. HLOOKUP, lookup value, this table array, my table, to my comma, row index number. I want to specify row 3, so comma, then exact match. Close my bracket and hit my enter, couch. And if you look at it here, you see that this is the result that HLOOKUP returned. Now let's look at the discounts. Equals to HLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, row index number, that will be 4, then the range lookup exact match first, which is 15%. So if we cross check the product ID 005, which is this particular column, you will see that we have the exact results, 150 couch and then 15% discounts. Hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.